wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best Mezzalunas. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Joseph folding features innovative pivoting handles that fold over to protect its sturdy blade, with the added benefit of occupying very little space in your kitchen drawer. It needs to be hand washed and dried, but that's a small price to pay given its quality. It's a quirky two-tone design that makes a great gift. However, the handles don't lock in place. At number 9, the German-made Westmark double blade makes slicing up a pile of vegetables a breeze, producing great chopped salads in half the time of other methods thanks to its 2 extremely sharp edges. It also has 2 polypropylene handles for precision control. It maintains its sharpness well and is backed by a 5-year warranty, but food can get stuck between the blades. Coming in at number 8 on our list, for a slightly alternative take on the Italian version, the Arctic Circle Alaska Lulu is a traditional Inuit-style knife. It's beautiful to look at with a high-contrast wood grain handle and chops just as well, if not better than anything else in the category. It's made with a blade cutout for a wraparound grip and comes with a base for storage and display. However, it's not actually made in Alaska. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Mezzalunas, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Kaylee's Kitchen Chopper comes with a reversible acacia wood cutting board with a rounded groove on one side that's perfectly suited to its blade's curve. The other side is flat with a built-in channel for catching excess juice when you're chopping messy foods. This one minces herbs quickly and includes a snap-on protective cover. It's great for users with arthritis. Moving up our list to number 6. Cleverly crafted from a single piece of stainless steel, the Silchef Premium features 2 blades to help you get your prep work done in half the time of one-bladed options. Its 2 sides are joined by a smooth rounded surface that's easy to grip with one hand. It's equipped with an ergonomic handle and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It's the same style as used in many salad shops. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Lunar Chop 14-inch looks more like a ninja's weapon than a kitchen tool, and indeed even the toughest vegetables and largest pizzas should fear its mighty blade. It's made entirely from stainless steel and features 2 long handles for good control. This one feels sturdy but not too heavy, and comes with wide handles for a firm grip and a money-back satisfaction guarantee. At number 4, the KitchenAid Rent has a soft handle that fits well in the palm, making it easy to apply the pressure needed to chop vegetables, slice cheese, and mince herbs or garlic. It's dishwasher safe, which will save you time on cleanup, and includes a protective sheath. The design promotes an easy rocking motion, and it's great for chopping salads in a bowl. It's good value for the price. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Inspired by the classic Italian style, the Bold B stainless steel sports elegant rounded handles and a 12-inch blade. In addition to being a high-quality cutting device, a portion of the proceeds is donated to charities dedicated to saving the bee population. It's made of 60% recycled materials and is good for slicing pizza. It comes with an odor-neutralizing soap. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Mezzalunas, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the massive checkered chef rocker blade is long enough to slice across entire pizzas in one motion, and sharp enough to cut through crust on the first pass. It's great for cakes and pies as well, not to mention regular chopping duties. It's made from one solid piece of stainless steel, with a rolled handle for two-handed comfort and a sturdy sheath for safety. And coming in at number 1 on our list, from one of the most revered names in cutlery comes the Bustoff 9-inch. Heavy duty and extremely sharp, it can handle anything from mincing garlic to chopping whole salads. It's laser cut from high-carbon German steel, so you know it's top quality. It's equipped with sturdy compression-riveted handles that are long enough to keep your fingers safe. It's tempered for superior edge retention. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Mezzalunas, or simply click beneath this video.